Are you ready for winter weather? A warm, cozy fire, hot cocoa, snow, and that warm, cozy sweater? The Winter Chalet collection, designed by Michelle Coleman, is the perfect collection to be able to capture all of those winter memories. Thanks for stopping by PHOTOPLAY Paper today. I'm Amy Sonneman. Let's jump in and take a look at the Winter Chalet collection. This is the collection kit. You'll get 2 of each of the 6 papers in this collection, as well as a 12 by 12 element sticker sheet. The papers include Warm Winter Wishes with these awesome cut-aparts, Winter Fun with these great ice skates, Snowy Floral with this gorgeous floral paper, absolutely beautiful, Welcome Winter that showcases these beautiful stripes and great icons. This paper is called Stay Cozy. Love the plaid and the wood grain. And the last paper in this collection is called Sweater Weather with this absolutely stunning knitted sweater pattern. This is a little peek of the element sticker sheet, which includes the 12-inch border, great icons, titles, words, and more. Next, I'd like to show the ephemera pack, which includes 26 beautiful cut-apart pieces, including framed words, frames themselves, tickets, tags, hearts, and lots of sayings. Perfect for mixing and matching with the papers in this collection. If you're a card maker, we also include this fun assortment of stamps with these adorable snowmen. Look at this cute little marshmallow man. So sweet. Perfect for card making, as well as adding ephemera pieces to your scrapbook pages. That wraps up the Winter Chalet collection. I hope you have a wonderful day, and we appreciate you stopping by PHOTOPLAY Paper.